In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to execute trades, use order entry and price ladder on TradingView. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. If you aren't already on a chart, click into the chart page so you have the full workspace. On the right side, you'll see your watch list. Pick the symbol you want to trade by clicking it in that list. That loads the instrument and its live chart so you can focus on the right market. Next, switch to the full chart view. Click full chart to expand the layout. This gives you more room for candles, indicators, and the trading tools we're about to use, making order entry clearer and less error prone. Now look to the bottom left of the screen and open the trading panel. This panel is where you connect a broker or use TradingView's built-in simulator. For learning and testing, I recommend starting with paper trading. Select paper trading and click connect. This creates a safe environment with simulated balances so you can practice without risking real funds. After a moment, you should see the connection status update. With the connection active, you're ready to prepare an order. On the chart interface, click trade, then choose order to bring up the order ticket. This is the central place where you set direction, order type, and price. You'll notice clear buy and sell options. Buy if you want to go long and benefit from rising prices, or sell if you want to go short and benefit from falling prices. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right symbol and that your direction matches your plan. Next, choose the order type. Market executes immediately at the best available price, ideal when speed matters and small slippage is acceptable. Limit lets you set the exact price you're willing to pay or receive. It fills only if the market trades at that price or better, giving you control over entry. Stop is used to trigger an order once price reaches a specified level, commonly for breakout entries or protective exits. If you select limit or stop, set your desired price in the price field. Think of nearby support and resistance, recent highs and lows, and spread behavior as you choose the level. On many layouts, you'll also see a price ladder or depth of market showing bids and asks stacked by price. Use it as a visual guide to gauge liquidity and proximity to your target, which can help you fine-tune entries. Finally, review your selections, double-check the symbol inside, and make sure the price reflects your intent. In paper trading, this is the perfect place to practice discipline and get comfortable with order entry and the price ladder before moving to live markets.